gonna show him one day that I'm the best there ever was.
There you are. You good?
Of course, why wouldn't I be?
Doesn't sound like it. You know we can hear you crying from outside, eh?
Oh, nah, I was just practicing this emotional scene for my audition for Sawa Siva Lalele. Yeah.
Oops.
See?
Is it because you didn't make the T-Squad?
No, I don't care about that stupid group.
Be honest. Was it?
It's not fair.
Hey! Hey! Get up! Get up! Hey! Look! Look! Look in the mirror. Tell me what you see.
I see fat.
You see fat. But you know what I see? I see fantastic. Now repeat after me. I see fantastic.
I see fantastic.
Yes. I see pride.
I see pride.
I see power.
I see power.
I see a badass Dre who won't take no crap from nobody.
I see badass Dre who won't take no crap from nobody.
Now say it like you mean it.
I see fantastic.
Yes.
I see pride.
Yes.
I see power.
Come on.
I see a badass Dre
That's
who
it.
won't take no crap from nobody.
Now one more time.
I see fantastic.
Yes.
I see pride.
Yes.
I see power.
Come on.
I see a badass Dre who won't take no crap from nobody.
Oh, come on. Are you ready for this?
I've been ready my whole life.
Great. If you complete this entire car park under 60 seconds, you qualify for the T-Squad. Got it?
Got it.
All right, let's go.
Wait. Here. This is Karen. She's my lucky charm. Can you kiss her for me?
Mwah! Come on, focus.
Ready.
All right. Feel the rhythm. Feel the vibes. Get on up. It's bobsled time. Go!
Wide.
Badass Dre who won't take no crap from nobody.
'59 seconds flat. Yeah! T-Squad! T-Squad! T-Squad!
Hey! These trolleys aren't gonna collect themselves, boy. Now hurry up, get back to work and start collecting these trolleys before I send you both back to Samoa when the borders open up again. Come on, hurry up, Manager Charles. Hey, hurry up!
Yeah, okay. T-Squad! T-Squad!